everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm preparing carrot cake with cream cheese topping. Let's do it. Here's the Super Thanks tab, which is found below this video. Your support will help us to continue to deliver only the best to you. God bless you and thank you in advance. I must pause right here to say hello to my people, to my members. God bless you. To my returning subscribers, you are and forever will be my MVP. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. To those of you who are just watching and I know you are enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing. Come on, join the family. And when you subscribe, please be sure to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and thank you in advance. Don't forget to check out our merch store. The link for our second channel will be in the description box below. Join our membership and enjoy free perks today. God bless you and thank you in advance. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Also, don't forget to hit the bell button below so that you'll be notified of every video I upload. And if you've just subscribed, welcome to the family. My name is Melda. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your love and support. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.